Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial for install Ubuntu 25.04 desktop version into Oracle Virtual Box. Now I am create Ubuntu desktop Ubuntu D24 name, and now I select my VM folder Ubuntu 25 and select ISO image. I am already download this ISO Ubuntu desktop. This is and must be check mark skip unattended installation, type Linux, subtype Ubuntu 2064-bit, unattended hardware, memory 2 GB and disk space 25, automatic get. Now click finish and then again open it, settings, and going to network and then click NAT, select bridge adapter and then click OK. Now start VM. Yes, this is open. Try to install Ubuntu, hit enter. Choose your language. I am select English. Click next. Accessibility in Ubuntu singing. Next. Keyboard layout English. Next. Use weird connection. Next. Install Ubuntu. Automatic no, interactive installation, default selection, okay. Install Wi-Fi, no, not needed. One thing you must be noted, your memory should be 4 GB, otherwise you cannot install this system. I am already update my memory. This is 4096. Erase disk and install. Next. No encryption, not needed encryption. Type your username, create an account. I am using tech. This is virtual machine name, host name UBN desktop 25, username tech, password 123. I can type password 123, record my password to log in. Okay, then click next. Asia Dhaka, automatic select my time zone, click next. Now finally click install process, partition SDA. This is new logo for Ubuntu 25.04. Installation done. Now first remove my ISO force unmount, then restart my VM. Successfully installation done. Now login using my created password. Successfully installation done. This is new logo, new feature for Ubuntu 25.04. View release note, not needed. Click next. Show first report, not needed. Finish. Open terminal. This is tech user. Now I am going to root user. Use sudo su or su command. 1 2 3. Authentication failure. This is right command is sudo su, then type your tech user password, and now I am going to my root, then change root password or set up root password. Password updated successfully. I'm checking IP address and check version Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, next tutorial it will access how to enable SSH or how to RDP from Windows to Ubuntu 25.04. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.